Tie it tight. B is for bowl to mix it right. C is for cheese, gooey and fun. D is for dough, spin and done. E is for eggplant, purple and round. F is for flour, spread on the ground. G is for garlic, adds the zing. H is for honey, sweet little thing. Pizza party, sing and play. Learning betters the tasty way. Mix it, top it, let's all cheer. ABCs are cooking here. I is for ingredients, yummy and neat. J is for juicy tomatoes, such a treat. K is for knife to slice with care. L is for ladle, sauce everywhere. M is for mozzarella, stretchy delight. N is for napkin, keep it bright. O is for oven, warm and wide. P is for pepperoni, side by side. Oh, pizza party, sing and play. Learning letters the tasty way. Mix it, top it, let's all cheer. ABCs are cooking here. Q is for quick bake, watch it grow. R is for rolling pin, ready to go. S is for sauce, swirl it round. T is for toppings, piling mound. U is for utensils, shiny and neat. V is for veggies, crunchy and sweet. W is for wheat crust, golden and yum. X is for extra cheese, oh here it comes. Y is for yummy, all free bite. Z is for zoom,